This is the dashboard here. Not much to say about this video, other than I came upon a driver and car driving without their lights on. I flashed my lights a few times and they turned their lights on. Now I'm not sure how far they had been driving without their lights on, but it was pretty dark in the area they came from, and was really dark in the direction they were going. Don't forget to like and subscribe to keep these videos coming your way.
7 IHRS, that's 904-777-44.
I got your idea.
It's not if the storms are coming, it's when the storms are coming. That's why you need the chief. Jacksonville's chief meteorologist, Mike Burrish, with a proven track record of keeping...
Hey you, yeah, you. If you enjoyed this video and want me to continue making these videos, leave a like, leave a comment, share this video, even click that little subscribe button. Come on, you know you wanna.